Hello, this is my technology portfolio. Today I'm going to be showing you my LTDE 5350 course. So you'll go to the Weebly, you will come to more and scroll down to LTDE 5350. This course is my emerging technologies course. These are a couple things that we have created. We created an infograph. We created a group project specifically about gamification in the classroom. We created a website scavenger hunt. We created a presentation on stackable credits. And then we had a self-reflection about our course. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is my infograph. It was over 3 emerging technologies. I did the HoloLens, the chat box, and microlearning. This was just a definition on each. And then I gave a video for each, so you basically could see and try them out. Another thing that we did was the group project. Like I said, this was specifically about gamification and how we could include it in our classroom. These are the learning objectives, the target behaviors, gamification, solution, and then the activities, incentives, and systems that we incorporated. And if you scroll through, you can see all of that. And then we did the website Scavenger Hunt, where we just went to different websites and really assessed what you could see and their abilities. And this was that. I did Crandall ISD. It Printing, which is a t-shirt place, and then Bank of America, which is a pretty well known, and then Big Thought, which is a nonprofit organization. The last thing that I did was the Stackable Credits presentation. And this one was over microlearning and stackable credits, which are things that can be implemented in college that allows people to progress in their careers without gaining another degree. They're gaining certifications. And I did the pros and cons, what schools enforce it, how they offer it. And then the conclusion. And then the last thing was the self-reflection that we did over this course, how we see the future of technology in our classroom, or what we felt like the future was going to be with technology, and how we were going to try to use that and implement it in our courses. Well, I hope that you enjoyed viewing my portfolio. This class was a lot of fun. It was very informative. And I will take a lot of this into my classrooms and hopefully into the admin positions moving up in teaching.